what are the trend line supports, trend line resistance, how to draw trend line supports and trend line resistance. Before we start, first of all we need to convert our hollow candles or candlesticks to the line chart. With the help of line chart you will easily find out the levels without wicks of any candle, so you will understand more clearly what actually higher points and lower points has been closed. First of all, before you noticing the any trend, we need 2 points to make a trend line. Let me find the first point. The first point we can consider this, and the second point this. So we have gotten two levels which are sufficient to draw one trend line, one uptrend trend line. If you check here, we got two levels and we have spotted a very good trend line here. If you revert back to a candlesticks, we'll understand how actually candlesticks are following the trend, following the support. Now we need to find out the next one, which is the resistance level. With same way we will turn our line chart on and we will mark it as a trend line resistance. Now we will find out the next one where we can find out some intermediate support levels. First we had got one support level which is extreme level. We can make a name call on this level as a extreme level, extreme support, extreme resistance level. All right, so this is the 1 day time frame, so we can get some interruption in between the extreme levels and extreme supports. How to draw those levels? Let me tell you. First thing, we need a intermediate levels which are belongs to the extreme supports and extreme resistance level. So I'm going to find out the first intermediate level which will interrupt my trade when I take on the base of extreme levels. First of all, let me find the interruption 1. This is our interruption 1, and if you see, the last trend is following like this. So we have found two intermediate levels, two trend types. First of all, let's on our candlestick patterns. Now you have a very clear way, you have a very clear indications what actually price actions are following, what are the coming support and resistance level. Now we have got a very sharp move from the resistance level. It means it can work as a resistance level, this point, and we can get a very good short opportunity on this base of high volume at resistance level. And for more confirmation we can wait for this support broke properly. If support breaks down, then we can have a good support for the next coming zone. So this is the way of drawing a trend lines and making the prediction of buyers and sellers. This is a very clear indication that price is following this trend, and it is sufficient to understand to trend analysis instead of using lot of indicators and make traps on it. All right, so we have some indications that sellers wants to continue the price action till at least 24.7k level. This is the way of understanding trades, and we can make a very good trades on the base of these price actions.